Number 6, find the product, collect all like terms. So this one's similar, except now we have a trinomial, which means we have 3 terms. But I'm going to set up the distributive property the same. I'm going to take my first term, but now I'm going to multiply it by this whole trinomial. So 3p squared, that's a 3, minus 8p plus 7. And then I'm going to take my second term here, minus 2, and multiply it again by this whole trinomial. So now it's set up, now it's just a lot of multiplying. So 5 times 3 is 15. P times p squared, we're adding, so we have 2 p's and 1 p, now we have 3. Now we go to the next term. 5 times negative 8 is negative 40, and we have p times p, which is p squared. Keep going, this one's going to take a while. 5 times 7 is 35, and then there's 1 p there. Now we're going to do the same thing here. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. P squared. Negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16, and we just have 1p. Negative 2 times positive 7 is negative 14. So now we want to find all of our like terms. So remember, we're looking at exponents and variable. The variable is p, so we're looking at all the exponents. So our first one, we have p to the third. And look, that's the only p to the third. So 15p cubed is my first term. That one's done. I'm just going to put a line through it. And now I'm going to look for all my p squareds. So negative 40, negative 6 p squared, and that's it. So now I'm adding or subtracting the coefficients. That's the number next to the p squared. So I have negative 40 minus 6. It's negative 46, and then the p squared just comes along with it because we're subtracting. So minus 46 p squared. Okay, now I'm done with those. My next set of like terms are the ones with the p. Right, so I have 35p plus 16p, and I'm just going to use or look at the coefficients. 35 plus 16 is 51, and then there's a p that stays with it. So plus, because this is a positive 51, p, and my last term is negative 14, and there's nothing to combine that with.